Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I am collaborating with the beautiful Anna Brown here on YouTube. She is another smaller YouTuber who I met through chatting with in my comment section. She asked if I would ever be up for a collab and I said yes, and so today we actually collaborated on trying to fit as many shades into our eye looks as possible. Of course, I went the extra mile and put on a blue lip and then did this little highlight effect that my friend Nikki does. Well, this is Anna. Watch my video, please go check hers out and see how she got the look that she created. I love it when you guys go and support other small creators. Just please do. She is very talented and I've watched a couple of her makeup looks that she's done and she's very skilled, so I highly recommend checking her out. Well, without further ado, now you can watch me get this look. We are working with my Karity palette that I love, and the first shade we're going to go into is Tweety. I am just putting this towards the inner corner but above where my crease is, if that makes any sense. I also wanted to slow this video down and zoom it in because it is a little bit more of an in-depth tutorial than I typically do. There are a lot of steps. Strap in for this one. But I'm just kind of getting that yellow everywhere I want it. Then I go in with the shade Vegas, which is this orange shade. And I just kind of place that where I want it. I'm going to go back in with the yellow and blend it in. Right now I am doing both eyes, but later on I will switch to just doing one eye on camera just because time. Just kind of finessing it. Now I go back in with the brush that had Tweety on it and I just kind of blend everything together. This is a back and forth kind of game throughout the entire time I'm doing this look. Then I go in with the shade Cancun, which to me is kind of like a fluorescent pinky orange. It helps everything kind of blend. I really like how the top part of my eye turned out. I think that's my favorite part, but then I've been really into these sunset colors. So there I am, just kind of blending the orange into Cancun. So back and forth. If you guys are wondering why I keep looking down, the Karity palette is sitting in my lap. It doesn't have a mirror, so I just kind of opened it and sat it there. Now I'm going back in with the yellow. Just making sure every color has its own little like place on my eye, yet is blended together. The next shade I go in with is NSFW. It's that red shade. This to me is more of like a tomato red. I don't know. Kind of blending it. I'm just kind of plopping it on there because I'm going to go back in with Cancun and kind of really blend it out. Alright, I'm just kind of blending it. Then I go back in with Vegas, which is the orange shade, and just kind of blend all of that together. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to carve out my crease. Yes, we are doing a cut crease today because this challenge is all about putting as many colors on your face as you possibly can. So, here I go. Carving out that crease. It's a process, but it's worth it. I really like using the LA Girl concealer because it already has the brush tip. I only use this concealer for my eyes, so I don't feel like I'm contaminating anything by doing this. I mean, I could be wrong. It could also be bad that it's just been used on my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Lumbia, which is a very hot pink. Now, because the concealer is wet, I'm literally just packing on the shadow. That is my goal here. Just pack it on. But get it wherever that concealer is. And anywhere that I kind of like mess up, I'm not worried about because later on I'm going to cover it in glitter. Then I go into the shade Alexi, which is a pinky purple shade. I like this shade too. I pretty much all of the eyeshadows that I put on my eyes today are some of my favorites in this palette. So I'm just kind of working that on there and getting it exactly where I want it to. And then just kind of blend it in. And I go back in with the Lumbia hot pink shade and kind of blend that back in as well. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Enchant, which is a bright, bright blue shade. This is a very pigmented shadow. I should have gone in much slower with this shadow, but I went in full force and kind of had a mess up on where it kind of covered Alexi, but that is okay. Because I'm going to go back in and kind of blend that together and it looks fine. It's just a process. I keep saying that, but it is. It's a process. It's a back and forth process. Then I go in with the Eggplant Purple shade in Ego. Look at me trying to describe colors. I think it's hilarious. But I just kind of place that on the outer corner of my eye right next to Enchant. And then I'm just going to go back in with Enchant and kind of blend everything together. Once I have it exactly where I want it, I'm going to take my NYX Glitter Primer and my DKB Glitter in Jasmine, and we are going to start by placing that glitter with an angled brush all along the edge of where I cut out my crease. I'm going slightly above it because I don't want it to be right in the crease. I don't want that glitter to spread everywhere when I blink. Some people won't have that problem. I do. I've done this a few times. Then I'm taking that glitter and I'm taking it on a very thin eyeliner brush so that I can get it exactly where I want it. Now, it doesn't work out perfectly for me, and I'm okay with that. I just wanted it in that kind of area, if that makes any sense. Because I don't want it on the lower lid. I want it more on the upper part of my crease, or where I cut my crease out. And glitter is a process. It takes a long time. You have to work slowly with it. You have to have patience with it. If you don't have patience with the glitter, you don't have to do this part. You could do a white eyeliner. That would look good. Also, I thought about doing that, but I'm a glitter girl and I absolutely love glitter. Too much. Too much love for glitter here in my life, and I want to play with it even more than I already do. So you guys are probably going to see a lot of glitter in the future, and I'm sorry if you're not a fan of glitter, but I am. I'm a huge fan of glitter. Glitter is life. Next, I'm going to take my Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner, and we're just going to go ahead and do a wing on this one. I zoomed you guys in closer just because I want you guys to really be able to see exactly how I go about doing my eyeliner. It's all about small strokes with it to get it exactly where you want it. And then I just go for it with a wing. I do. I just am like, nah, it's there. It's a wing. Whoop, done. But one thing with gel eyeliner is you need to make sure you wipe off your brush. You don't want a ton of excess eyeliner on your brush because it will make a giant mess. Trust me. Next, I go in with the Wander Beauty Volume Curl Mascara. Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Gosh. I am really liking this mascara, like, a lot. Like, more than I thought I would. And boom, both eyes are done. What? Then I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion, and we're putting that about 3/4 of the way in my lower lash line. Then I take this shade Wicked, which is a green shade, and I put that underneath my lower lash line. I went all out. I did so many colors, people. I did 9 colors. 9 colors, 10 if you count my inner corner highlight that we're getting to. Yeah. Oh yeah. 11 if the lips count, but I think it's just for the eyes, so I don't think the lips count, but that's okay. That's okay. Then we're going in with this highlight, which is from Looks to Kill by Gabby Cosmetics. It does not have a name. It is the most frustrating thing to me when things don't have names, because I want to tell you the name of it, but there's no name. So it's just a highlight by Looks to Kill Cosmetics on Etsy. It is a very vibrant highlight. Then I take the Wet n Wild liquid Catsuit in the shade is Teal, and I put that all over my lips because I didn't know what shade to go with, and this was sitting there, and I was like, I'm putting that on my lips because I absolutely love this lipstick. One thing you guys should know is out of all of my liquid Catsuits, this one is the hardest to get off my lips. That one's going to stay. It is not, it does not move. It just stays, which is a good thing. I hate doing my Cupid's bow when I put lipstick on. Yep, get it all on there. Then we're going back in with that highlight, and I'm going to be doing something my friend Nikki Nami does with highlights because I wanted to give it a try, and I'm going to put that all over my lips. Yep. It's gonna look pretty. I don't think I do it as well as she does. I need more practice. Then I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose because I feel like the tip of my nose needs something. So much for watching this tutorial. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It really does mean a lot to me to have your love and support here on YouTube. Please, 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 please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before or on my birthday, which is in October. I would just really love to hit that number by my birthday. I think that would be an awesome and amazing birthday gift. So if you guys could help me out by sharing this video, by giving it some likes, by commenting, by doing whatever you can to get other people to watch my videos. I mean, that's really up to you. Don't do anything crazy. I just really, that is a goal I have, and I would love to hit it by my birthday. But if I don't, I will still be here. You guys know that. I'm still here. Well, thank you guys again for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I do hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are. And bye!